Hello, my name is Jim Kaiser, and in this video, we're going to cover what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Because a lot of people have asked this question since online has become explosively popular with wanting to start your own business online. And affiliate marketing seems to be the model most people are going after. So, I don't know if you ever heard of Uber. Uber does not own any cars. But what Uber has done is they have found people with cars and they have found people looking for a ride. They have brought these people together and they get paid a commission for doing that. Same thing with Airbnb. Airbnb does not own any houses or any real estate. But what they've done is they've found people with real estate looking to rent it. They have found people who need a place to rent. They have brought them together and they get paid a commission for doing that. That is basically, in a nutshell, what affiliate marketing is. Another example might be if you ever heard of NerdWallet. NerdWallet is a site online that has credit cards and all kinds of banking stuff. And they found people looking for credit cards. They connected them to the affiliate banks and stuff that they have on their site, put them together, and NerdWallet gets paid a commission for doing that. These are all multi-million-dollar companies using the affiliate marketing model. Now, we're not going to try and create the next Uber here right now. We're going to try and create the most basic and simple way to do this with, unfortunately, most people looking for affiliate marketing are starting with $0 and are in dire straits or living paycheck to paycheck and don't have tons of money to invest. So what you can do is you can go to a place called ClickBank. ClickBank is a site where you could sign up for free, and they have, this is you. You go to ClickBank. You could sign up for a free account. And what ClickBank has is a marketplace. You go to the marketplace, and you find a product that you have an interest in, something that you know something about, so you can speak on it with a little bit of education because you like what it is you're talking about. You shouldn't talk about dogs and dog walking if you hate dogs. It doesn't make sense. You shouldn't talk about cars if you know nothing about cars. You got to find something, and ClickBank has a whole A to Z marketplace of things in the fitness, weight loss, auto, animals, you name it, it's on there. So you find the product, and then you could create what they call a hop link. What a hop link is basically an affiliate link that you can promote, and if somebody buys, you get a commission. And that is basically how affiliate marketing works. You find a product, you find the person looking for that product, you bring the two of them together, and you get paid a commission for doing that. Now, the thing is this: there is a right way to do this, and there are a whole boatload of wrong ways to do this. And there are people on the internet promoting all kinds of stuff that hardly works, if it works at all. Take it from experience. I'm 59 years old. I have purchased boatloads of programs that leave out big giant pieces of very important information. They don't tell you everything you need to know. And it's not actually step by step on how to do anything. So you're left to your own accord trying to figure all of this stuff out and how to glue all these pieces together to actually make it work. But anyway, I don't want to go off on a tangent. So you go to ClickBank, you find a product, you get your hop link. Now, if you have some money to invest, because with $0, you can still do this. You can take your hop link and you can promote it on, if you have a blog, you can promote it on your blog, or on a website. If you have a website, you can promote it on your website. Yeah. And that is how you work with that particular model of affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, you don't have to just go to ClickBank. All the big stores usually have an affiliate sign up page. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, like Target and Walmart, many of you know Amazon, all of these places have affiliate programs where you could sign up, usually for free. You can go through all of their stuff, pick what resonates with you, and promote it to your Facebook, your blog, your website. It doesn't just have to be this ClickBank. It could be any place. It could be electronics through Best Buy, I believe, has an affiliate program. Sony might have an affiliate program. There are millions of places to choose from. So you can become an affiliate and promote their stuff. The problem is with this model is to just tell people, buy this, buy this, buy this. People don't really like that. So what I was going to say was, if you have some money and you find a product, you should purchase that product and go through it yourself, so you know what it is, you know what's about, you resonate with it, and you can talk about what it is that's inside the product. And this way, you know what it is you're talking about. You're not just, here, buy this weight loss product, and you have no clue what it's even about, or if anybody's even going to like it. But if you go through it, you could say, well, it targets the belly and blah, 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 whatever it targets. Or the car, or the dogs, or whatever it does. Anyway, that is the basic 101 on what is affiliate marketing. With $0, if you have some money to invest, You can follow that same model, but you need to pick up a program like ClickFunnels, if you've ever heard of it, or Lead Pages, or Kajabi. There's a whole bunch of places where you can build out a funnel. I don't know if you've ever heard of a funnel, but again, you have you. You go to a landing page. Well, you got to send traffic to a landing page where you'll create, let's say, a video. You'll have a link here, which is your hop link or your affiliate link from Amazon or Target or wherever it is you choose to get your affiliates from. You put that link in here. You talk about whatever it is on a video. I know a lot of people don't really like making video, but trust me, this face was made for radio. And if I can make video, you can make video. And we will cover video more in a future video. That's enough about video. So when somebody clicks on this, they go to the sales page, and hopefully you make a sale. I'm going to elaborate further on this model because there are a bunch of other steps you can take on making this work even better. Like when they get to the landing page, you can add an autoresponder. So maybe you've heard people say build your list. Well, you need to purchase an autoresponder in order to build your list. But that's part of the tools that you need to start growing and expanding on your affiliate marketing business. You could use the first model I showed you to try and get started. But if you just keep jamming your links down people's throats, you're not going to make any sales. And if you're doing it on Facebook, you might find that you get Facebook slapped and they shut your account down. You get put in Facebook jail, whatever they're calling it these days, because Facebook doesn't like people just ramming links down everybody's throats all the time. It's a social platform, so you got to be social about it in the way you go about presenting your affiliate products on Facebook. I'm not going to elaborate too much on Facebook. I'm not a Facebook expert, but I do know that they will shut your account down for doing certain things the wrong way. Now, just a little bit about my background. Again, I mentioned at the time of this recording, I am 59 years old, so I have been around the block a few times. There are tons and tons and tons of people on the internet selling stuff that is missing big chunks of information, doesn't exactly tell you how to put all the pieces together. There's just so much misinformation, and they're making you pay for this stuff. On this channel, if you subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up to help me out with the algorithms. Leave me your comments about more of what you would like to hear, and I will answer those comments. I'll make videos on those comments. But there's going to be a whole array of free videos showing you how you can build a successful, sustainable affiliate marketing business that is willable and sellable if you so choose to go that route. But for now, this video just covered what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. Hopefully, I've answered those two questions for you. Affiliate marketing is when you take a product and a person and put them together and get paid a commission for doing that. That's what it is, and that's how it works. Stay tuned for my next video, and I will elaborate further on how to do this properly, because what I've showed you here today is the free model. If you have some investment capital, like I was saying, more information about myself. Back in 1980, I started working for somebody. I worked for 10 years, and I realized that I couldn't go any further. So I had a family member co-sign a loan for me for $5,000 so I could buy the tools and the materials I needed to start my physical business that I've been running, and I still own and operate that business today. But affiliate marketing is the same. You need to purchase tools and products in order to properly build an affiliate marketing business. But we'll get further into that in my future videos. So again, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time I upload a new video. And my name is Jim Kaiser. I'm going to stop rambling now. I am the founder and CEO of supercoolmarketing.com. You can check out more free products over there. And I will see you in my next video. I appreciate you. Bye for now.